Adding square footage can make you money. Want to know how? I'll show you. Coming up right now. All right, hey guys, I'm in beautiful sunny Sun City, California, and I've got another property here. So if you've been watching, tips, tricks, information on rehabbing properties right here at Lewis Helps. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what I've got here, what's going on, and for those out there that are interested in adding square footage to your property, square footage additions are great because, as you know, and if you don't know, you need to know, square footage is how we determine the price of our property. When you run your comps and when you run your values in your property, you go based off the houses that have sold in the area. You, of course, divide that by the square footage of the home, get your average. And once you get your average, you times that by the square footage of your property. That gives you your repair value or your after repair value. So, that I like to add, there's actual valued square footage and there's phantom square footage. Ooh, the mystery of more square footage. That comes by way of something simple like this right here. If you notice, similar to our house there, that we have a carport that can be turned into a garage. So I'll show you that really quick. We've got a carport that we're turning into a garage. That's kind of a phantom square footage. You don't get credit on your value based off that type of square footage, nor do you get building in a patio unless you permit it. Then you will get that, maybe that room addition. So I'm gonna show you guys my phantom square footage that I've created. And why would you do phantom square footage? It's best to do phantom square footage when you already have the supporting beams there. You're not doing any structural, you're just framing in. And now you have nothing but the wood, the drywall, and maybe a little electrical. So if you've got your guy doing electrical work anyway, he can do that work and it can be very minimal. So let me show you what we did here. We just poured footing here, framed it in, and if you look structurally, here's your supporting beam. So structurally, we're not doing anything structurally really, and we still have the same height as the rest of the house. So where this was an existing back little area, now what we're gonna do is bust that wall out right there, or that window out, put a countertop there, so this can be kind of a bar area, and then this right here will be framed in. That sliding door there will come out, and then we'll put a sliding door here. So now this square footage doesn't count for my price per square footage, but what it does do for an extra 1,500 bucks, it actually gives me the best property on the market. So that 1,500 bucks or that 1,200 bucks that I spent to make that phantom square footage may help my house fly off the market. What else I can do is, just like everyone else here, I can frame in my garage. So let's go take a look. Let me show you guys that piece right there. All right, so right here, like I said, it's already structurally there. So right here is a support beam right here, support beam here, support beam here, and support beam there. So now all we have to do is frame it in, and because it's a garage, we actually don't even have to do much electrical. The only electrical work that we do, which I do in every one of my houses anyway, is bring electricity there for the opener. All right, so like I said, we got the supported beams here. All we got to do is frame in. We just have to frame in for the garage door there, and that's it. So, you know, so again, the price that you're selling your property on is based off of square footage typically. But the reason why this phantom square footage is so important and so helpful, for me at least, is because when homeowners shop and look for other houses on the market, they're going to compare your house with other homes. And so for some reason, my property just seemed bigger. And then, you know, so that back area is one of those reasons why I did that. But then also every other house that they're going to look at are going to have these garages that are already kind of built in. So you definitely want to match and meet the expectations of what they're going to see other properties, but if they get that little bit of icing on the cake, which is that back square footage addition, that's going to make it all the while and even easier to sell, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna take you guys inside, show you guys the rest of the property, where we're at in this phase. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we will be putting all of our properties that we finish, the final product at the end. So make sure you do that. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, because there's daily updates on where we're at in this property and other properties. Doing about 3 to 4 properties a month right about now. So plenty of content for you guys there. So please leave in the comments below if you can name off any other additions or any other things that you guys can see would be helpful things to do to these properties. Share in the community of each other and help each other learn and grow. That's what this is all about. So thanks for rocking with me. Thanks for following. I'm gonna take you guys inside, show you guys. I'm Terrence Lewis of Lewis Helps. I'm out.